Hello, fellow stress warriors. We're glad you could join us today. We're exploring neuroscience today, specifically the physiological sigh. Our guest, neurobiologist Huberman, will illuminate its power against time to unlock serenity's door. Welcome, and let's embark on this journey to serenity together. Hey there, stress warriors. Welcome back to our empowering journey towards self-improvement. We're on a mission to help you tackle stress and transform it into tranquil serenity. Today we are here with a golden nugget of wisdom, a game changer that's going to revolutionize your approach to stress management. We're going to introduce you to a unique technique, a neuroscientist's best-kept secret weapon for effectively banishing stress. This groundbreaking method, known as the physiological sigh, has been scientifically proven to alleviate stress in real time using the power of your own body. To guide us through this insightful concept, we have the honor of hosting the renowned neurobiologist, Huberman, a highly respected figure in the field of neuroscience. Huberman, with his vast knowledge and experience, will unravel the intricacies of the physiological sigh, explaining how we can harness its power to combat stress. This could be the turning point in your fight against stress. So don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Get ready, as we are about to dive deep into the incredible world of neuroscience. Remember, it's not about surviving the stress, it's about thriving despite it. So, stick around and prepare yourself for a transformative journey. It's time to transform stress into serenity. Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a profound tool that could transform your interactions with stress. Noteworthy neuroscientist Andrew Huberman has discovered a potent method called the physiological sigh. We'll delve into this stress-dissolving technique today. Andrew underscores the limitations of conventional stress relief methods like mindfulness, particularly during challenging times. He familiarizes us with the autonomic nervous system, the crucial determinant of our state of calm or alertness. But here's the twist. The fastest and most effective way to control it lies in the physiological sigh. Let's dive into the science. Andrew deciphers the connection between our breath and the autonomic nervous system. The secret hinges on the synergy between the diaphragm, heart, and brain. Mastering controlled breathing enables real-time heart rate regulation. Andrew unveils a unique breathing pattern at the center of this technique, the double inhale, exhale. This pattern, when executed correctly, allows the regulation of our heart's rhythm by modulating the volume of air intake and outflow. Andrew simplifies this complex process, highlighting the importance of drawing in more air to accelerate the heart rate and less to decelerate. The technique, termed the physiological sigh, can be used anywhere, anytime to manage your heart rate and by extension your stress levels. This is the essence of the physiological sigh, a tool you can use anywhere, anytime. But why does it work? This is where we find the brilliance of explanation. He gives us a comprehensive dive into the science of this technique, the magic that brings forth the desired results. He reveals, when you partake in a double inhale, you are, in essence, replenishing the capacity of your lungs. This acts as a necessary catalyst to reinflate the minute sacs found within the lungs, sacs that have a proclivity to shrink or collapse when we encounter stress or anxiety in our day-to-day lives. The significance of the following part of the technique, the long exhale, cannot be underestimated either. It essentially functions as a purge, a well-calibrated mechanism that efficiently expels carbon dioxide from your system. This expulsion results in a sensation of rapid relaxation, a feeling akin to immediate stress relief. It's like a reset button for your stress response. The beauty of the physiological sigh is its real-time effectiveness. This all-natural, scientifically backed method of reducing anxiety and stress can be implemented immediately. No need to carve out extra time in day. The physiological sigh can come to your aid at any place, any time, no matter what you're doing. Picture yourself in a situation where patience is running thin. Perhaps you're stuck in a never-ending line at the grocery store or dealing with a frustrating work situation. These stresses can take a toll on your emotional well-being and overall health. However, by practicing a few rounds of a simple exercise, a double inhale followed by an exhale, you have the power to proactively combat these overwhelming feelings. This tool is your go-to instant stress companion. Whether you're in a long line or facing everyday challenges, a few rounds of double inhale-exhale can swiftly bring down your stress levels. As Andrew concludes, we now have a potent tool against stress, the physiological sigh. When alertness spikes or exhaustion creeps in, this technique can offer immediate relief. It only takes 1 to 3 cycles to make a real impact. Stay empowered and stress-free. We're glad you joined us today on this journey. If you found value in this video, give us a like, share with peers, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember, every breath you take can influence your state of mind, so breathe easy, keep calm, and continue to flourish. This is signing off. Before we wrap up, we want to extend our deepest gratitude to all you stress warriors out there. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Next, we'll explore the art of mindful eating and its impact on stress and well-being. Stay tuned, keep breathing easy, and remember, you are stronger than stress. See you in our next video, Stress Warriors.